Doing something good does not make you a better person. It actually makes you more likely to behave badly immediately after. In a series of controlled experiments, psychologists Benoit Monin and Dale Miller gave participants a chance to assert their moral identity, something small, pushing back against a racist comment, choosing the ethical option in a scenario. Then they watched what happened next. People who had just done the right thing were measurably more likely to make selfish, biased choices in the very next decision. Not because they were bad people, because their brain had logged a credit. Psychologists call it moral licensing, and it runs completely below awareness. Your brain does not treat virtue as a habit you build. It treats it like a bank account. One deposit, and suddenly a withdrawal feels justified. Think about the last time you felt most entitled to snap at someone, skip the commitment, or take the easy way out. There is a good chance something you felt proud of came right before it. The moments you feel most righteous are exactly when your guard should be highest.